But 2008 we are by Cepi. Cepi is an Italian company producing equipment for many sectors and for bakery. Igor, what about the production of Cepi?
We are specialized in silos and storage, transport and dosing of ingredients, mainly for the food industry.
Which are the main features of your equipment?
I think we are quite popular for our flexibility and our customer care.
Do you want to explain us some products of yours?
Yeah, in this exhibition we are focused quite well on the fermentation and sourdough preparation and dosing into the mixer for the bread industry, but for all kind of product with yeast inside.
What about that plant displaying at the fair?
Yeah, that plant is particular equipment for big bag discharging with the possibility to close the big bag for changing with another ingredients, and also the possibility to help with automatic system for helping to discharge for kind of ingredients with particular difficulties.
Thank you so much, Igor.
Okay, thank you.